Welcome campers. In today's video we're going to be doing it a little different. We're just going to be doing a day trip instead of a camping trip this time. But we're going to be heading out about an hour east of us to log in some new camp spots and see what's in store for us.
We're going to be checking out the old US 60 right outside Superior, and then we're going to head a little north of Globe to check out some old mining ruins, and then we're just going to explore from there.
Stay tuned, you guys. Thank you. We are on the old US 60. The 300-foot-long Claypool Tunnel opened in 1926 as part of the 21-mile, million-dollar highway. The tunnel was replaced in 1952 with the newer 1,200-foot-long Queen Creek Tunnel that also took the US 60 along with it. Yeah, with the wind blowing. Samples. How do you like the tunnel so far, Bean? Think it's a new home for you? A wild dog. Nowadays, the Claypool Tunnel is a popular destination for hikers and people taking day trips. Alrighty guys, so we kind of had a change of plans. We decided we're going to turn the day trip into an overnighter by Roosevelt Lake. So we're going to hit the store right now, buy the supplies we need, some food and some other things, and we're going to start heading that way. All right, keep going straight. You're gonna go up onto this rock right here. You'll be fine. Just slowly climb it. Cut passenger a little bit. Okay, go straight, go straight. Keep going. You're up. You're over. Keep going. You're gonna do the same thing with your back tire. Start cutting driver. Cut driver more. Good. There you go. Keep going. You're perfect. Cut passenger. Cut passenger. All right, go straight. So we kind of had an issue with trying to go to the mine. It was really nasty terrain, and we didn't want to do it all alone. So that's going to be on the bucket list for a future trip. But in the meantime, we are airing down right now and took the sway bars off, and now we're going to start heading on our way to our Lakeside camp spot. Bean got a stick. He's one of the most talented stick recovery dogs on the planet. Alright guys, so this is our camp spot. We ended up mobbing down here and getting down to the water's edge pretty quick. We didn't really videotape it because we wanted to beat the sunset, but now it is the search for firewood. After gathering firewood and making dinner, we decided to sit around the campfire a little longer and enjoy some drinks before that night's rainstorm rolled in. Alright guys, it was a great night. A little rough sleeping, but with the rain and everything, it's been perfect. Bean, are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Oh, okay. Alrighty guys, we made it to the end. We had an awesome night in the tent. We did get rained on, so that was pretty cool. Other than that, it's been really muddy getting out of here. But we're going to call it a weekend. We're going to air up and start heading back. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing some videos on fixing the Jeep and just getting it back up to snuff for summer camping. But we really appreciate all the support. It's been awesome. Thank you guys so much, and stay tuned for the next adventure. Bye.